The smart home is evolving. Beyond lights and speakers, the next leap is real robots. Not just Roombas, but robots that actually help with daily life. For years, this felt like sci-fi, but now the tech is finally catching up. AI is smarter, hardware is better, and robots are moving from novelty to necessity. Today, we're diving into 10 groundbreaking home robots, what they do, what they cost, and where to get them. Some are available now, others are coming soon, but all offer a glimpse into the automated home of tomorrow. Ready to meet your new robotic housemates? Let's get started. Here are 10 real home robots changing the game. First up, the Roborock Saros Z70, a robot vacuum that finally picks up after you. With a robotic arm, it moves socks, toys, and cables out of the way before cleaning. No more pre-cleaning rituals, it's truly autonomous. Pre-order for about $1,800 on Roborock's site. For busy homes, this could be a real game changer. Cat owners, meet the Litter Robot 4, a self-cleaning litter box that handles the dirty work. It detects when your cat's done, cycles waste into a sealed drawer, and notifies you via app when it's time to empty. It even tracks your cat's health stats. $699 on their website. Pricey, but the convenience is unbeatable. Set it and forget it. Amazon's Astro is Alexa on wheels, a mobile smart display and home security bot. It patrols your house, follows you for calls, and can carry small items. Integrated with Ring Protect Pro for extra security, this is priced at around $1,600 and a bold step toward true home companions. The future of smart assistants is on the move. Samsung's Bally is a rolling smart home hub and personal assistant. It learns your routines, manages devices, and even projects videos or workouts onto your wall. Think of it as the conductor of your smart home orchestra. Launching in 2025, likely under $1,000. Bally could redefine what a smart home hub can be. The Moley Robotic Kitchen is a full kitchen robot. 2 robotic arms that cook entire meals from scratch. It learns recipes from chefs, preps, cooks, and even cleans up. This is luxury tech custom installation, starting at $250,000. Request a consultation on Moley's website. It's the ultimate kitchen upgrade if you can afford it. LG's AI Agent is a 2-legged rolling robot that manages your home. It greets you, senses your mood, plays music, and controls smart appliances. Acts as a pet monitor and security guard too. Previewed at CES, launching soon from LG. A practical, well-integrated home robot. The Enabot. Ebio X is a mobile security and care robot with a 360 degrees camera. Remotely check on kids or elderly family, get fall or cry alerts, and start 2-way video calls. Patrols your home and keeps you connected. Available now for $999 on Enabot's site and Amazon. Peace of mind wherever you are. Luna is a playful robot pet for kids, expressive, interactive, and full of personality. It recognizes faces, responds to voice, and plays games. More companion than Chorebot, it's a fun intro to robotics. $449 on their website. The future of play is here. The Nekojita Fufu Cup Cooler is a tiny robot that cools your hot drinks fast. Place your mug on the base and it uses robotic airflow to bring your coffee to the perfect temp. Simple, clever, and only $60 from Japan Trend Shop. Proof that not all robots need to be complex. Sometimes small solutions make a big difference. The Houdel Elder Care Robot is a soft, comforting companion for seniors. It chats, gives medication reminders, and monitors health and movement. Alerts caregivers if something's wrong. Available through healthcare providers with pricing based on service. A lifeline for independent living. That's 10 robots, from single-task wonders to ambitious home companions. Some solve one problem perfectly, like the Litter Robot or Fufu Cup Cooler. Others, like Astro and Bally, aim to be your digital housemate. Whether it's a $60 gadget or a $250,000 kitchen, the goal is the same: making life easier, safer, and more connected. We're just at the start of this robotics revolution. The line between sci-fi and reality is blurring fast. Robots aren't the future. They're moving in now. Which one would you want in your home? Like and subscribe for more smart home tech. #RobotLife.